Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to cover an important poetry by Robert Frost, that is The Road Not Taken. तो थोड़ा सा जानते हैं राइटर के बारे में. ही वॉज बॉर्न इन 1874 and 1963 he died. Robert Frost was an American poet. His work was initially published in England but was published later on in America as well. The Road Not Taken is a poetry by him published in 1916. Before moving directly to the poetry, let us know something about it. This is a poetry about trying to decide which road the speaker is going to take through the woods, through the jungle. It is actually a poetry about the journey of life. It is a metaphor for life as well. The two roads diverged into the jungle symbolizes a person's life and the choice ahead in the life of a person, and the person has to choose one out of these choices, and at present he does not know which one will be better. He just has to choose one. So I'm reading these lines. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. So in the beginning line, it has been shown that the speaker is looking at a fork, a bifurcation in the yellow wood in the jungle. And in the second line, he is describing ki sorry I cannot travel both of these roads because I am a single traveler. So the speaker wants to go down both the roads, but it is not possible being him a single person. In the fourth line, he says, and I looked down one as far as I could. तो जितनी दूर तक मैं देख सकता था मैंने देखा इन दोनों रोड्स को, टू वेयर इट बेंट इन दिस अंडर ग्रोथ. जहाँ तक रोड में एक बेंट आया, जहाँ तक ये रोड नज़र आती थी, वहाँ तक मैंने इस रोड को देखा. सो इट कैन बी compared with the life as well. He can't really predict the future. He can only see part of the path. So we also take time to think about some pros and cons of the options available in front of us, whether it is suitable for us or not, and only then we take a decision on the path that we choose in our lives. Now he says, then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. So in these lines the speaker says कि after building up his mind about one road which he looked down for a long time, the speaker takes the other path. तो दोनों roads को analyze करता है speaker और उनमें से एक path choose कर लेता है. And he says just as fair he felt that both roads were equally good and started walking on one of them. And he adds that maybe ही फेल्ट दैट द पाथ वॉज बेटर फॉर हिम. तो इस मोमेंट पर स्पीकर को ऐसा लगता है कि उसने शायद एक बेटर पाथ चूज़ किया है, बिकॉज यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रास है, और ग्रास है तो इसका मतलब ये है कि ज़्यादा लोगों ने यहाँ पर ट्रेवल नहीं किया. इट हैज़ बीन अनयूज्ड. Then the speaker tells us why the path is better. It seems like it has not been walked on very much because it is grassy. And in the fourth and fifth line he says after he walked on the path for some distance, उसने realize किया कि दोनों ही रास्ते had been worn out the same way. दोनों ही रास्तों पर शायद लोग equally चले. Both the paths were similar and worn out. Even in our life it happens. We take only one path or one option, but all of them have their own benefits, their own advantages, their own disadvantages, their own problems, challenges, and we must face all of them. We think that we are choosing a better option, but it is not that way. The other option may also be better, but we never know about it. Now I'm reading these lines, and both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I keep the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. सो हेयर अगेन वी हियर दैट दी पाथ्स आर इक्वल. तो ऐसा लगता है कि स्पीकर को अभी ऐसा फील हो रहा है दोनों ही रास्ते बिल्कुल इक्वली थे. आई हैव नॉट मेड एनी रॉन्ग चॉइस. द पोएट सेज दैट दी बोथ पाथ्स वर सिमिलर दैट मॉर्निंग, बोथ हैड लीव्स ऑन देम एंड no one had stepped on them as they were still green in color, and he decided that the day he would take one path and keep the other path for another day. तो पोएट हमारा कहता है, द स्पीकर सेज कि आज उसने एक पाथ चूज़ किया और कल वो दूसरा पाथ चूज़ कर लेगा या किसी और दिन वो दूसरा पाथ चूज़ कर लेगा. ही न्यू दैट ही कुड नॉट गो बैक ऑन द चॉइस दैट ही हैड मेड, बट ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं है. इफ़ यू हैव चोजन वन पाथ, यू हैव टू फॉलो दैट पर्टिकुलर पाथ ओनली. ना, you cannot go back and go to another path and start from the beginning. It is not possible. So similarly in our lives also, once we choose one option, we must keep on moving ahead with that option, and we never get a chance to come back and take the other option that we had left earlier. Next he says, I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. तो अब हमारा पोएट कहता है कि इन फ्यूचर ही विल टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ, डीप साई, एंड सेज दैट वंस अपॉन अ टाइम ही हैड रीच्ड सच अ पॉइंट इन लाइफ that there were two options for him, and he traveled on that route which had been traveled by lesser number of people. तो पोएट कहता है कि फ्यूचर में कभी वो जाकर इस इंसिडेंट के बारे में सोचेगा जब उसके पास लाइफ में दो चॉइसेस थी, और अपने आप से या किसी से भी बात करते वो ये बताएगा कि मैंने उस पाथ को चूज़ किया जो कि लेस ट्रेवल था. दैट डिसीजन ऑफ हिज decided his future actually. So similarly in future, when you students will grow up and you will say that once upon a time when you were young you had two options, the choice that you made you what you have become out of it. So basically this is not about the road, this is about the choices in life. This is a metaphor for the life of a human being who has to choose between two or three options given. Human beings are defined by the choices they make in their lives.